So I gotta admit something. I really like chocolate. What? I mean, I really like chocolate. And when I saw this in the supermarket, I knew I had to try it. It looked like something different. Now, I've had the normal version before, and it's pretty good. I do like it. Well, let's just have a look at it. Violet Crumble, raspberry. Now, Violet Crumble is chocolate-coated honeycomb. That's pretty good on its own. Now, Violet Crumble is the Australian version. Oh, I guess you could say it's probably the most similar to Crunchy if you've got that where you're from. But we've got one called Violet Crumble. Now they've added raspberry, or as it says here on the packet, raspberry twist. To me, that sounds pretty good. You got chocolate, you got honeycomb, you got raspberry. Let's hope it doesn't disappoint. Time to open it up. All right, so now I just said I like chocolate. Oh, well, I'll be honest, I didn't really read the packet that carefully. And it's pink, or you could say raspberry. Let me just, now what do I got? All right, so it's raspberry chocolate. I was actually thinking it'd be something different. It's here on the packet. My eyes just kind of went to the raspberry and ignored the fact that it was gonna look like this. I was thinking it'd still look like milk chocolate with raspberry inside and honeycomb inside. I'm not disappointed. I just don't really read packets that well, obviously. So raspberry, Violet Crumble. Let's give it a bite. Nice and crunchy. That is really milky. You got the normal flavors of the honeycomb, but with the raspberry, and I'm gonna say it's probably white chocolate, this tastes like a milkshake in like this little block. This is really delicious. I reckon if it was normal milk chocolate, it probably wouldn't taste as good. Using this raspberry chocolate, this just has a really creamy flavor to it. I could literally eat the whole packet. Is this the perfect snack? You know what? I think I'm gonna say it is. I like this a lot. Like, it's good. I was wrong with what I thought it was gonna be, but it's really good. Tell me, do you like honeycomb? Do you like it covered with chocolate? Would you try something like this? Honeycomb in a white chocolate. Have you heard of Violet Crumble before? There's some important questions. Leave an answer down in the comments below and tell me. This, well, I think I found my new favorite chocolate snack. Violet Crumble, raspberry twist. It's good.